Today we're talking about a machine that doesn't just redefine speed, it redefines what's possible in automotive engineering. When you hear the name Bugatti, you don't just think of a car, you think of power, exclusivity, art and engineering taken to the absolute limit. Bugatti is a French luxury hypercar brand with a legacy that dates back to 1909, founded by Ettore Bugatti. Over a century later, the brand still carries the same philosophy if it's not extraordinary. It's not worthy of the Bugatti badge. From the iconic Veyron to the Chiron and now the new generation models, Bugatti has consistently built cars that push boundaries no one else dares to touch. Let's start with the heart of a modern Bugatti, the engine. In models like the Chiron, Bugatti uses an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Yes, 16 cylinders, 4 turbochargers. This isn't just about big numbers for marketing. This engine produces around 500 horsepower in the standard Chiron and even more in special editions. To put that into perspective, most regular cars on the road produce between 100 to 200 horsepower. This is a completely different universe. When you press the accelerator, a Bugatti doesn't just move forward, it launches. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in under 2.5 seconds. That's faster than most people can take a breath. The top speed, electronically limited in many versions to around 261 mph, but special editions like the Supersport 300s have crossed the 300 mph barrier. That's not just fast for a car, that's airplane-level speed on land. But speed alone isn't what makes a Bugatti special. It's how that speed is delivered. Despite having enormous power, the car feels stable, controlled, and surprisingly refined. Advanced all-wheel drive systems ensure maximum grip. The dual-clutch transmission shifts in milliseconds, delivering seamless power without interruption. The aerodynamics are carefully engineered, with active rear wings and air flaps that adjust automatically depending on speed and driving mode. Speaking of driving modes, Bugatti vehicles often come with multiple performance settings. There's a standard mode for comfortable cruising, a handling mode for better cornering, and a top speed mode that unlocks the car's full potential. In top speed mode, the car lowers itself, adjusts the suspension stiffness and fine-tunes the aerodynamics to reduce drag. Even the key used to unlock top speed feels like a ceremonial tool, because in many ways it is. Now let's talk about design. A Bugatti is instantly recognizable. The signature horseshoe grille at the front pays homage to the brand's early racing heritage. The sweeping C-shaped line on the side of models like the Chiron isn't just beautiful, it's functional, guiding airflow into the massive engine. Every curve, every vent, every detail serves a purpose. Inside, the experience changes from brutal performance machine to handcrafted luxury masterpiece. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, aluminum, carbon fiber, and sometimes even custom materials requested by buyers. The controls are minimalistic but elegant. A single piece of aluminum in the center console may take weeks to machine and polish. This isn't mass production. Comfort is another surprise. You might expect a 500 horsepower hypercar to be uncomfortable, loud and harsh. But Bugatti engineers have tuned the suspension to be compliant in normal driving conditions. The car can be driven in the city, on highways, and even on long road trips. Of course, it's still a hypercar, but it's remarkably usable compared to other extreme performance vehicles. One of the most unique selling points of Bugatti is exclusivity. Production numbers are extremely limited. Some models are built in runs of only a few dozen units. Owners often customize their cars extensively, making each Bugatti unique. The price reflects this exclusivity, often starting in the millions of dollars. But for buyers, they're not just purchasing a car, they're acquiring a piece of history and engineering art. Bugatti also invests heavily in craftsmanship. Each vehicle is assembled by hand in Molsheim, France. The process takes months. Every engine is hand-built. Every component is tested rigorously. Quality control is on a different level, because at these speeds, perfection isn't optional, it's mandatory. Then there's the emotional factor. Driving or even seeing a Bugatti in person creates a reaction. The deep, thunderous sound of the W16 engine, the aggressive yet elegant stance, the way it dominates the road without even trying. It's not just transportation, it's presence. In recent years, Bugatti has entered a new era under the partnership between Bugatti and Rimac. This signals a future that blends traditional combustion power with advanced electric technology. The upcoming generation models are expected to combine extreme performance with electrification, potentially redefining hypercars once again. So who is a Bugatti for? It's not just for someone who wants to go fast. It's for someone who values engineering excellence, rarity, and the ultimate expression of automotive capability. It's for collectors, enthusiasts, and visionaries who want something that very few people on Earth will ever experience. In conclusion, a Bugatti is not just about numbers, though the numbers are insane. It's about legacy, innovation, artistry, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It represents what happens when engineers are told not to compromise. It's speed without apology, luxury without limits, and engineering without fear. That's Bugatti, not just a car, but a statement.